How to apply for Shein product reviewer. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for Shein product reviewer. So Shein offers a program where users can apply to test and review products for free. If selected, you receive clothing items at no cost in exchange for writing a review on their site or their application. So to get started, go ahead and open Shein into your device, sign into your account, and head over into the Me section. And here you'll find this free trial center. So you'll find it in between Survey Center and Affiliate. So click on this free trial center, and then from there you'll be able to find all of the items that you can apply for. So you will see a list of items available for review. So go ahead and click on this free trial center, and that will take you into a new page where you'll be able to find the list of items which you can apply for a trial for. So in here, go ahead and click on this free trial button. Once you have selected an item, you can choose products that interest you and then click on free trial. Provide a brief reason why you want to review the item. Applications are reviewed by Shein's team. So if chosen, you receive the product for free. So you must submit a detailed review with photos within 10 days of receiving them. So as you can see, once I have applied for that, I'll need to select the address where this would be shipped, and then I'll need to wait for selection. So tips to increase your chances: maintain an active Shein account with past purchases, write thoughtful reviews on previous orders, and apply regularly and follow the guidelines carefully. And that is how you can basically apply for Shein product reviewer.